Tired of digging through endless documents on your iPad? Let's get your PDFs organized in a snap. The key to mastering your iPad's file system is the built-in Files app first. Locate and tap on the Files app icon. It usually looks like a blue folder. Inside the Files app, you'll see various locations where you can store your files for local storage on your iPad. Tap on My iPad. Now, to create a new folder for your PDFs, tap the three dots icon in the top right corner of the screen from the pop-up menu. Select New Folder. Give your new folder a descriptive name so you can easily identify its contents. I'll call mine Important PDFs. Once you're done typing, tap Done on the keyboard. You've successfully created a new folder. Now, let's get a PDF into it. Imagine you've just received a PDF through email or downloaded it. When you have a PDF open, look for the Share icon. This often looks like a box with an upward-pointing arrow. Tap on it. In the Share sheet, scroll through the options until you find Save to Files. Tap on that. This will bring you back to the Files app interface. Navigate to On My iPad, and then tap on the folder you just created, Important PDFs. Finally, tap the Save button in the top right corner, and there you have it. Your PDF is now neatly organized within your custom folder. You can repeat this process for all your PDFs, creating as many folders as you need to keep your documents perfectly managed. With a little organization, finding any PDF on your iPad will be as quick as a tap. Happy organizing.